Hi everybody and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily pair this speaker with another speaker like this to make the stereo pair, and I'm going to answer the question if this speaker does have the dual connection mode. So as you could figure out, yes, this speaker does have the dual connection mode, and to pair this speaker to another one, this type, we have to scroll down in the LG XBOOM application until we see wire smart link. We have to tap that, and here we have multi-mode, and here transfer music on every speakers, or go back and tap dual mode. Now our application is trying to find the next LG XBOOM speaker. That's it, hope it helps you and have a nice day.